Welcome. In front of me I have a Guest Team case. Now this one is for iPhone 16 Plus and I do have a Pro Max right here, so it probably won't fit. I kind of missed the opportunity when I had the Plus here still to do this. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, quick look, and just try to fit it for the wrong iPhone. But in any case, let's just get straight into it. So, we do have two seals right here. Cut through them. There we go. There we go. So, taking it out, we have... Oh, can you like pop out of it, please? There we go. So, taking it out, we have the case. The back is made out of plastic, so hard plastic right here. We have the MagSafe right over here. Silicone sides with nice cutouts around the buttons, so it makes it easier to press them. And this basically goes all around, so we have the power button along with the action button isn't cut out. But it's a small one, so I hope this should be probably easy to press. Let's test it out. Come on. Nope, it won't fit. Actually, Pro Max looks to be a tidbit bigger than the Plus one. Though, looks kind of like it should fit, but yeah, it doesn't. It just kind of stretches it out. So unfortunately, I won't be able to test fit it. But this is basically a single company that makes them, so it's the CG Mobile. It's in partnership, in this case, with Guess. They also have partnerships with other companies as well, so you can get like different themed ones. And I already experienced their cases, and they're basically all about the same. This one is a little bit more on a clean side. Typically they have some like flair on here with some logos that are popping out, like Mercedes, for instance, or something along those lines. So this one is a bit simpler, but it obviously their cases are actually well made. For the most part, didn't see any kind of problems with them. They fit the phone obviously correctly without any kind of weirdness happening, so nothing like, you know, that you'd expect from, for instance, AliExpress devices or cases or something like that. So yeah, these are pretty solid cases all in all. And yeah, this one is just Yes themed. I also want to add the MagSafe right here is actually pretty strong. It's at least from the previous ones that I've tested, the MagSafe is stronger on the case than it is actually on the iPhone itself, so yeah, it's a bit of an improvement over the default one. But in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.